Hi guys, I'm really excited to share with you today the release of my brand new course, Hyperreal Character Creation in Unreal Engine 5, and something that I've been building for a while now called the Hyperreal Hive. So I've been working with real-time characters for about 5 years now, including a couple of years at Epic Games, working closely with MetaHumans, and everything in this course comes from those years of experience. What I've done is I've pulled together the full workflow that I use in production and put it all in one place for you. So things like look dev, rendering, path tracing, hair simulation, cinematic lighting, and even compositing in DaVinci Resolve. Basically, it's the whole process, start to finish, documented step by step so you can follow along. The aim is to make it much easier for you to build realistic characters that feel alive, but they also run in real time. But I didn't want to just put out a course and stop there, and that's why I created the Hyperreal Hive. So the Hive is more than just tutorials, it's about having a place to connect with other artists, share your work and keep learning together. There are 3 tiers. The low poly gives you access to the community updates and challenges, as well as exclusive discounts for top 3D brands. The subdivision tier unlocks the course, as well as all future tutorials, and you'll get your very own Hive starter pack. And the Hyperreal tier is the top tier where you get everything, including industry masterclasses, downloadable scene files, and portfolio reviews from myself. So whether you just want to be part of the community or you're looking for a full deep dive, there's a place for everyone. The course is really an accumulation of the last few years of my work. Everything that I've learned, I've put together in one place so you guys can follow along and use. And I really hope that you guys enjoy the course and that you become part of the Hive community. And thank you very much for watching.